Shannon Miller, host of this channel, host of many things. I feel like my own little newscaster. For those of you who do not know who the heck I am, my name is Shannon Miller, and I am founding member of Clean Freaks University, where I teach others how to run the back end of their cleaning business instead of being run over by their cleaning business. And I have digital products, one-on-one services, and many digital courses. So if that is something that you are interested in learning, please check out my website, and that is Clean Freaks University, KLEANFREAKS university.com. And then of course you're always welcome to join my Facebook group, and it's all cleaning business owners. So we're all there with the same motivation. We're all there to achieve the same goals. It's called the Maids Network. And I believe there's 6,000 members currently in the United States. And then we have a couple sprinkled in the UK and Australia and a couple in New Zealand. I look forward to seeing you guys in there. If you have any questions, by all means, please reach out. Take care.